second year chemistry, that is the chapter 2, solution chapter. So in the solution chapter, in the part 1. So solutions. Already we discussed in the first year stoichiometry solutions. So the meaning of the solution is the homogeneous mixture of the two or more components. So the homogeneous mixture of the two or more components will be called as a solution. Solution means it is the homogeneous mixture of the two or more components, that is called as a solution. So in the solution, only two components are present, that is called as a binary solution. In the solution, only two components are present, so the type of solutions is called as a binary solutions. So in these binary solutions, how many components are present? Only two components. One component name is the solute, another component name is the solvent. So one component name is solute, another one is the solvent. Solute means in the binary solution, the less quantity component is called as a solute. In the binary solution, the large quantity component is called as a solvent. So this is the meaning about the solute and the solvent. So for example, 5 grams of the salt dissolved in the 100 ml of the solution. So it will be formed the salt solution. So in the salt solution, solute is the less quantity of the salt, that is the 5 grams. So it will be act as a solute, and 100 ml water will act as a solvent. So this is the meaning about the solute and the solvent. So in the solution, majorly there are the three types of the solutions are present. On that, one is the gaseous solution, another one is the liquid solutions, and third one is the solid solutions. Solutions, majorly three types. One is the gaseous state of the solution, liquid type of the solution, solid type of the solutions. So this is about the introduction of the solution. So mainly here we should measure the concentration of the solution. It is the concentration of the solution. So the meaning about the concentration is it is the quantity of the solute present in 100 ml of the solution. That is called as a concentration. Or simply it is defined as a concentration means quantity of the solute present in the solution. Quantity of solute, nothing but amount of solute present in the solution, that is called as a concentration of the solution. So here concentration of the solution can be measured for the solutions in different methods. So there are the different type of the methods that will be present for measure the concentration of the solution. That is the methods for expression the concentration of solutions. Concentration of solutions. So there are the different type of the methods will be present. On that one is the weight percentage, that is indicated with the W percentage. Second one is the value percentage, V percentage symbol. Third one is the weight value percentage, W by V percentage. Fourth one is the molarity, indicated with the capital M. Fifth one is the normality, indicated with the capital N. And another one is the molarity, small m. And another one is the mole fraction, that is the x. And last one is the ppm, means parts per million. Parts per million. So this is the different type of the methods is express the concentration of the solution. Here we discuss the one by one. First one is the weight percentage. What is the weight percentage? Simple meaning. Already these are studied in the first year stoichiometry. And also we have discussed in the second year chapter solutions. So first method is the weight percentage. So the weight percentage is equals to weight of component is divided by total weight of the solution solution is multiplied with 100. So we get the weight percentage. Weight percentage means nothing but weight of the component divided by total weight of the all components in the solution is multiplied with 100. Then we get the weight percentage. So that is the meaning about the weight percentage. Next, value percentage. That is the V percentage symbol. Simple. Value percentage is equals to value of component divided by total value of solution is multiplied with 100. Then we get the value percentage. Value percentage means value of one component divided by total value of all components in the solution is multiplied with 100. Then we get the value percentage. So this is about the value percentage. Third one is the weight value percentage. That is the W by E percentage. W by E percentage. Weight value percentage. So the weight value percentage, simple. In numerator weight, in denominator value terms will be present. So that is the weight of component divided by total value of solution is multiplied with 100. Weight value percentage is equals to weight of component by total value of solution is multiplied with 100. Then we get the weight value percentage. That is the W by E percentage symbol. W by E percentage symbol. Next fourth one is the molarity. So molarity. How it can be defined is simple. Total number of moles of a solute present in 1 liter of the solution. That is called as a molarity of the solution. Number of moles of a solute present in the 1 liter of the solution. So that is called as a molarity. Molarity can be indicated with the capital M. The formula of the molarity is the capital M is equals to W by GMW into 1000 by V milliliters. M is equals to W by GMW into 1000 by V milliliters. Where on that formula W is equals to weight of the solute. W is equals to weight of the solute. G and W means gram molecular weight of the solute. Gram molecular weight of the solute only. On that formula, V is the value of the solution and capital M is the molarity of the solution. So this is the meaning about the molarity. Next we move to the another method, that is the normality of the solution. Normality, that is indicated with the capital M. And it can be defined as the number of gram equivalents of a solute present in 1 liter of the solution. The number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter of the solution, that is called as a normality of the solution. Then the formula about normality N is equals to W by G E W. W by G E W into 1000 by V milliliters. Where W is the weight of the solute. GEW is gram equivalent weight of the solute. GEW is gram equivalent weight of the solute. GEW is gram equivalent weight of the solute. Next, V is the value of the solution. V is the value of the solution. So this is about the normality. So in the molarity and the normality, W will be same. Next in molarity, GMW. In normality, GEW will be present. Remaining will be same. So for example, W means this is the weight of solute. Weight of a solute. GMW means gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight of solute. Gram molecular weight of solute. Then GEW. GEW of solute. And where the V is the volume of solution. Volume of solution, not solute and solvent. V is the volume of the solution. So this is about the molarity and normality. Molarity and normality. And another method is the molarity. Molarity. So this molarity is indicated with the small m. M is equal to W by GMW into 1000 by A in grams. So this is about the molarity. And how we can define the molarity? Number of moles of a solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. That is called as the molarity of the solution. Molarity means number of moles of a solute present in 1 kilogram of solvent. Number of moles of a solute is present in 1 kilogram of solvent. That is called as the molarity of the solution. And this molarity, how we indicated with equation M is equals to W by GMW into 1000 by A. W means that is the same, that is the weight of the solute. GMW means same, gram molecular weight of the solute. And A means weight of the solvent. Here this denominator A is the, what is the weight of solvent. This is, you should remember, weight of solvent. Weight of solvent. That is about the molarity of the solution. That can be indicated with a small m. Next we move to the mole fraction. Mole fraction x. So here this mole fraction, for example, in the solution, A component and B component will be present. A component and B component will be present. Then the mole fraction of A component is, mole fraction of A is equals to number of moles of A divided by total number of moles of all components. That is the Na plus Nb. Mole fraction of A means Xa is equals to Na by Na plus Nb. This is the formula for determination of the mole fraction of the one component, that is the A. Similarly, on the solution, mole fraction of the second component, that is the mole fraction of the B, is the mole fraction of B is equals to Nb by Na plus Nb. Just here the change is the numerator value. Mole fraction of A means, what is that? Na by Na plus Nb. Mole fraction of B means Nb by Na plus Nb. Nb by Na plus Nb. So in the solution, sum of the mole fractions of all components in the solution is equals to 1. Sum of the mole fractions of all components in the solution is equals to 1. That means mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equals to 1. So this is about the mole fraction. Mole fraction. Next we move to the another method, that is the ppm method. ppm, that is the parts per million. Parts per million. Parts per million. So ppm is equals to number of parts of component divided by total number of parts of all components in the solution is multiplied with 10 power 6. So number of parts of component divided by total number of parts of all components in the solution is multiplied with 10 power 6. Then we get the ppm, that is the parts per million. So these are the different type of the methods will be present for the measure of the concentration of the solution. Measure of the concentration of the solution. So for example, in this weight percentage, there is no units. Value percentage is also no units. And weight value percentage. Weight to value percentage. So in the weight value percentage, so the units of the weight value percentage is the gram per milliliter. And in molarity, the units, it will be indicated with the moles per liter or capital M. Moles per liter or capital M. Normality, equivalence per liter or capital M. And molarity molarity gram per gram means there is no units for the molarity, or it is also indicated with the small m. Mole fraction. So mole fraction we do not have in the any units because it is the ratio. So this is about the different methods. So in these different methods, for example, molarity, normality, these two methods, these two terms, molarity capital M, normality capital N, can be depend on the temperature. These two methods is depend on the temperature. Molarity small m, mole fraction is independent on the temperature. Molarity, normality is depend on the temperature. Means when we changes the temperature of the solution, the molarity and normality of solution is also changes. Molarity and mole fraction is do not depend on the temperature. That means independent on the temperature. So this is about the different methods for expressing the concentration of the solution. So remaining we will be discussing the next part.